Salam, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mohammed Baqi from the Hussaini channel, and today we, the Al Baqi brothers, in collaboration, bring you the assembling of the office table so you can work from home. This here, ladies and gentlemen, is the user guide. Let's begin.
This is engineered wood. Comes with a keyboard tray and a side table where you could put the UPS, the desktop tower. This here, ladies and gentlemen, is the keyboard tray. You don't want the keyboard to fall apart while using it, ladies and gentlemen. Be careful. Be very, very careful. Today's anchor, ladies and gentlemen, is Big B, aka at Ragnarok from Oblivion on Instagram. Mohammed Arshad Al Baqi from the Hussaini channel, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi to the camera right now. Hello. So we just completed the installation of this chair over here, ladies and gentlemen. We will show you how the installation is done for the chair as well, so it's rather convenient for you when you're doing it, in case. But for now, we're gonna focus on the table. This thing will go inside that hole and tighten the screw, so holding it tight. Make sure you put this in and it's tight. This is the screw that holds the table together, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you put this in. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are connecting the keyboard tray. already have this in place. Both sides. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you guessed it right, your brothers. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the cover. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the bottom part, more like the foot soldiers of your table. There are no readily available holes for the foot. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready. It's all done. And the keyboard tray is in, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. This is where the magic happens, ladies and gentlemen. It's not wobbling, so that means you've done a good job.